Welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are checking out this site. This is the RS28. So let's get started, guys. So let's drop a couple of fact bombs on you guys. So this has 5 brightness settings, red and green color, 4 selectable different icons, fits 20mm rail, multicolored lenses. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box here. Alright guys, inside the box you get a manual, cleaning cloth, you get a spare battery, and also your tightening and adjusting tool. You adjust it on the right and on the top. This is your sight right here. You turn this knob for the color and for the brightness. And also if you twist this top piece, so there's 2 pieces. You got the top, you see the little riveted end there. If you twist that the whole way, that's where your battery is in. So guys, under here is your different icons. So you can select them right under in here by twisting this piece right here. So we do that. Now you can select a different one. It's going to be better if it's showed up. Now, of course, it's going to be hard for you guys to actually see that dot. It looks better in person. And you change the color by twisting the bottom piece here. You got red and green. And also, if you turn it to the G, it's a little hard with one hand. Turn it to the G, that means it's off. So there's no sight. So make sure you have it on the G when you're done using it. There won't be any laser that points, so it's all a direct laser right inside the lens. So as you guys see here, there's no laser that points down, but when you look in it, the laser is actually inside. And again, you guys got different methods, different icons you can use. So that is it, guys.